Hi there, I'm Mohammad Ismail Hussain, a lead generation specialist, and over 5 years of experiences working as a lead gen specialist. Since 2019, I started. I have been helping small businesses and specifically cleaning businesses to generate leads in multiple ways. Multiple ways. Now you have a question: why the cleaning business? Why I choose cleaning business? Definitely, there are some reasons. The first one is industry structure. I understand it very well. Two, I have overall good knowledge and information that not everyone know. Then third, competition layout. And the final and most important reason is that I got the most success stories with cleaning business. And I have very good portfolio on cleaning businesses. So these are the reason why I choose it. So this is my short introduction. Now let's jump into the main discussion. Now you see it's a home cleaning business in Victoria, BC, Canada, and it's located in Victoria, BC. And you see, it's a simple landing page. They stated the service very simple and clean landing page. We call it as a conversion optimized landing page, which is designed for to generate more conversions, and it definitely increase the conversion rate. This kind of landing page, as it is conversion optimized landing page, and simple call to action. So whatever, this is the introduction of the landing page. So I don't call it as a landing page, I call it as a lead generation machine. Why? I'm going to explain why you are here and why I'm here, right? The clear thing is that you have been facing some problems and issues that you have been actually facing since you started the business. Okay, so there are some pain points you are desperately looking for solving, and if you think that if you actually get over those problems, you will definitely make more revenue and make sure the growth of your business. So not only you, all the cleaning business owners have the same thing. And look at, there is a phone number. Phone someone. Suppose you have a traffic system, you are already generating traffic. They actually landed in this page. Then what they see? They will mostly focus on these two actions. Either they call them from here, calling, we call them as a call leads, and or they actually fill the form, which is lead form we call. They actually submit their all the mandatory information like full name, email, phone number, and the message of the services what they are looking for, like bi-weekly cleaning or monthly cleaning or one-time client. They will actually mention it here. So if they actually fill the form and submit the form, we call them as a form leads. If they call from here, we call them as a call leads. Option where they come after actually submitting it from or calling, where they come. They come to our this system. You see 226, all of them are actually either call or submit the lead form. Now stored in our app. Okay, I have been working with this business for 2 months. Yes, more than 2 months, 2 months plus, like 2 months, 10 days or 20 days. They already closed 65 plus clients, and most of them, I mean, more than 50 of them are regular clients, like bi-weekly and monthly schedule. So you see, definitely you understand what it is, and what you see that is actually the basically they actually still updated. They yet to update their most of the information, as he is actually busy with providing services. I have to do it, whatever. Those are the leads actually who generated from these landing pages and come to this system. Okay, they are stored in there. So they are new leads. Now what happens after generating new leads? Uh, you might be very busy with other works, or you might be busy with your you are providing the services already, or maybe your staff are providing services, you are following up with them or managing them, or maybe you are busy with your family affairs, daily affairs, whatever it is. The bottom line is that you can't instantly actually reply them back. Okay, as a result, what happens uh, once they don't get the confirmation from you, or they don't get any reply you, what they think, they just get upset, and uh, they see that okay, he is not available right now, he didn't actually confirm me anything. So as they need the service urgently, so what they actually do, they actually go to your competitors and other service providers who are providing the same service, then take the service from there. Okay, as a result, you lose your potential clients. Okay, so I know that as I have been experiences in this field, I know that many. Many same all the business owners, most of the business owners actually have the same issue, and they are losing the customer in the same way. Now we have the system, and we got the system to solve this issue, which is your main pain points, and you are losing a lot of revenues just for that. Is that once they come to our system and new leads as a new leads, they instantly get an automated email and SMS as a confirmation message and welcome message, like, hey, the message would be like that: hey, we received your application, and one of our representatives will contact you within X amount of hours or X amount of minutes, something like that. So what happens? It creates the very big result. It creates very big differences. Once they get reply, once they get reply back, they become relaxed, and they think that, oh, request has been submitted, and someone actually got our request, and they will contact us back later. So they get that actually confirmation, and they actually assured. Now they know that someone is going to call them. So this is what they actually think, and this is what they actually got the assurance. Okay, as a result, he is waiting, the leads are waiting for you, and now it's your job. What you do, you as they are not only get the confirmation, they also become warm. When new lead get the SMS or reply SMS, they become warm. Now you just managing those warm leads. What you do, your job is simpler, easier. You just what you get the new leads, you actually here, you will call them from here, or you can call them from your cell phone. Call them and close the deal. That's it. That's your job, because the leads are already warmed. Okay, so this is the simple job, because we already did the rest. We did the rest of the things. So your job is to just call them and close the leads. This is your main job, and we are here for to help you other specs or other settings. Got my point? What I was trying to say. So this is the actually main issue, the main problems you have been facing since you started the business, and we are just solving this issue. I hope you are excited, right? Okay. Interesting fact is that uh, missed call, right? Missed call. Suppose your operation is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then you are not available after that time. Like after 6 p.m. you are not available, but still you get call, can't pick. Or there are other issues or other reasons that you can pick call. It could be network issue, that the customers who want to actually trying to reach, who actually are trying to reach you out but can't due to network issues. Or it could be like you are busy with your family, maybe you just outing with your family, or you are sleeping. It could be any reason. There are multiple reasons, thousands of reasons that you can't actually pick the call. Okay, so those are the missed call leads. Now where they come, right? You see all of the missed call leads here. Those who try to contact you but can't reach out to you. Many reasons. What I mentioned, it could be any reason. So, firstly, they come to our system. Yes, you missed their call, but still they are in our system, which is very good for you, right? You already you see that who actually missed, who tried to call you but couldn't pick you. As a result, they are missed calls. So this is the first one. Another thing is that uh, they tried to call you, but you didn't pick up. Okay, so they like frustrated. They see that, oh, this individual, the business didn't pick up my call. Now let me go to other one to get the service, because I need this service urgently. Okay, emergency basis. So what happens? They're just another, again the competitor are going to snatch your potential clients. We also actually solve this issue. How? Once they try to call you but can't reach out to you and become missed call leads and come to our system, not only come to our system, we also through our automation system, we actually text back them. Once they try to reach out to you but it is missed call, you can't pick, or network issue, anything, it is a missed call. But what happened? They still get the confirmation that you get their missed call. You got that, they tried to call you. They confirmed. How? We actually enable the missed call text back through our automation system. They actually try to call you and get the missed call text back. That's something like that. Hey, we saw that you are trying to call us, but somehow you can't be able to anyhow you for any reason, for some reason you can't be reach out to us. So don't worry, we'll contact with you as well. So you see, again the same thing. They get the confirmation that they tried to call you and you got this call, and you will definitely call them back in some hours, within some hours, a few hours. And do you understand and realize the issue? And how many small business, specifically home service businesses, are missing this opportunity? How many revenue they are losing? And let me just think. I know what's going on in your mind. You also think that how many revenue you have been losing just not having that feature, right? So this is what the biggest problems that we are solving, which is something like broadband for you. So these are the two most pain points we are solving, and I'm sure these are the two problems that stopped you to make more revenue. And we help this business with these two solution, and the business, as I show you, the business already actually the business used to get what, 4 to 5 clients before I started working with them. They used to get clients from referrals, words of mouth, all those things, door to doors. But once I started working for them, they just 23 to 24 clients in this month, means 4 to 5x clients. And you can't imagine actually how many clients you are going to have after solving these two issues. Even you know, I hope you know. If you don't know, now you know, you know this, okay? So these are the two issues, and those are the not only things. I also give you some bonus, which is very essential to you. You can't actually, no one can deny the fact. First of all, you have so many social media presence like Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business page, and many platforms, and SMS, even SMS, your phone SMS, business phone SMS. But you have to actually contact or reply them back traffic generation system. I'm not sure you have a traffic system or not. I assume that you have. If you have traffic system, then what we do? You maybe you have multiple ways, or you have your own system to generate traffic. Then we actually bridge the system. Like we actually bring your traffic you are generating right now into actually bring those traffic into this landing page, and they become actually leads and come to this system. But if you actually not, if you're not doing anything, or you don't have any specific or stable system to generate traffics, then we are also no worry. We are. I'm also personally a media buyer expert. I have good I have more than 6 years of experiences doing paid ads, using my paid ads expert to generate leads. So we basically do what we do. We do Google Ads to generate traffic for home service businesses, specifically cleaning business. We do Google Ads and generate high quality traffics who are most likely to convert through this landing page. So this is all about. I hope after watching the video you will have a calendar link from my site where you can book the call for free strategy session, where we are going to explain everything, every process, how it works, and we will have more understanding. Even if you don't take the service, still you get some free ideas which you can, very essential ideas which you can actually implement for your business and get instant results. So uh, I hope don't waiting too much. We have special offer which won't last long. We just have 2 week offer. It will be last for 2 weeks. We give you special offer. So don't be late. Book the call. Okay, book the call with us for a free status session. Okay, I will see you on my call. I will see you in the Zoom call. Okay, so let's book the call and let me know. Thank you.